Hi, welcome to Amy's Crafts and Things. I'm Amy. Today's tutorial will discuss how to create an offset line pattern. As you can see, I already have my outline shape up on the screen. To achieve this, we're going to go ahead and select our object. We will go under the Shapes toolbar. So you'll have Home, Image, View, Scan and Cut, and Shapes. Click on Shapes. Go to the right, and just down below Convert Stitches, you'll see Create Offset Lines. Go ahead and click on that. And a little box will come up, and it will ask you the offset direction you wish to choose. We're going to go outward for this. You can choose your spacing, do whatever you prefer. We're going to leave the offset line count to 1, and we're going to just click OK. And as you can see, it created an offset line on the outside of our original image. I'm going to undo that. I'm going to reselect my image, and let's go back to Create Offset Lines to explore what else it does. This time I'm going to click on Inward. I'll leave the spacing and the offset line count the same, and I will click OK. And it will bring the offset to the inside of my shape. Let's go ahead and undo that. Select our objects. Go back up to Create Offset Lines. This time I want to add a couple different offset lines. I will click it up to 4. And let's go ahead and round the corners and click OK. And as you can see, the offset lines are now rounded. I will go ahead and undo that. And what happens now if I click it, select the objects, create offset lines, click it up to 4, let's go inward, round our corners, and click OK. And it will kind of round it out a little bit. And there you have it. That's how you create offset line patterns in PE Design 11. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so others can learn our craft as well. Thank you for watching.